Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to withdraw money from Binance to Wise. So it's more like a detailed comparative analysis. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. How to withdraw money from Binance to Wise. So the first step that you need to do is you have to go to Binance homepage or just Binance.com. This will be how the homepage would look like. Moving forward, step 2. Go to wallet and click on fiat and spot. Once when you click there, what you have to do is you can see that the fiat and spot is available right here. And once when you do it from fiat and spot, you'll be transferring the money to your Wise account. So you're going to click transfer. You can see that here is the option of transfer. Step 4, from there, you are going to click on to and change it. Like after clicking to, a Dropbox window will open, and from there you have to change it from cross margin to funding. Initially, the drop-down box when you click to will be selected on cross margin, and from there you have to change it to funding. Step 5, then you have to click max, which is below it, and write the maximum amount of money that you want to transfer, mostly in the form of USD or USDT, and then click confirm. Moving forward, step 6, the money has now been moved to the funding account that you selected a while ago. Now you have to click on the tab buy crypto and click P2P trading. Step 7, after when you're there, you'll have to click on fiat and change it to USD. Step 8, then you'll have to click on sell. And step 9, after clicking on sell, the next thing that you have to do is you have to go to payments and then click it. A drop-down menu will open, and then you will choose Wise from it. Step 10, then you'll have to click on amount, which is on the same tab, and then write the amount that you want to send. And after that, you have to find the buyer with the highest rate for USDT and completion time so that you can sell it. Like you want a buyer with the highest rate for USDT or USD and with the lowest completion time that can transfer the amount of money in the less amount of time. The less amount of time they can spend, the more quickly you're going to get the money. Step 12, when you have chosen the buyer, you'll click on the buyer, and in the space above on which it is written, I want to sell, you have to write the amount. And step 13, below in the payment method, you're going to write your Wise account details. That is the email address you use for creating your Wise account. And the money then will be sent from your Binance to your Wise account. So this was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.